decades.
Can you believe it?
A year and a half from now, we'll be in
2020.
2020. I remember when the world was going to end in 2000. So 1999.
You remember?
Yeah, man, I was in church with my mother.
So, as was I, darling. As was I. The first one, oversized hoops. Remember them big hoops? I, again, wasn't trendy. I didn't have any. My mother said them would tear out my ears, so I wasn't allowed to wear those.
And what else?
Tracksuits.
It's like people can push a hand through them.
Again.
Tracksuits aren't...
Them, they did nice, but I never have none.
Yeah, but they're coming back because everybody matching them different tracks. But no, it's not the big thing. Colored lenses.
I wore colored lenses.
I can see you wearing
when
colored lenses.
When I was 6, I wore colored lenses for a long time. I wore green contacts for a while. That was my birthday thing. That was everything.
Hot pink.
Hot pink.
Yeah, I don't think
hot pink around things, but it never went out of style.
I don't think it ever went out.
With girls being girls, I don't think hot pink ever will go out of style.
Yeah,
nameplate necklaces. Them time there was like the big thick one. Now them get like a cuter. Them smaller now. Yeah. More one of that. That cute.
I never had one of those.
Neither did I, but that cute. Fishnets.
Fishnets.
Yeah, I wore fishnet. Not the stockings, but I had like a fishnet jacket, and now I have fishnet stockings and stuff. Come here, big man.
Well, I don't know about fishnets.
Visors.
I never understood this one.
The visor thing?
Yeah. I never understood it. And why is it coming back?
I never have none.
It's one of those trends that should have stayed.
They should die. Tube tops. I wore tube tops. Lots of tube tops. For the girls who are not so well endowed, it's a very easy thing to wear. So
you know, still wear tube tops?
Right.
Okay.
I did.
Logos. No.
Oh, like when them did have the apple thing on them bottom and the whole heap or something? No, that was never something for me, and I still won't do that. Fanny pack. Make I explain something to you about this thing. I forever will think this look cool.
No, sir.
I think it look cool.
Them not have none for man.
I have a belt with a nice purse on it from Guess that don't look like a fanny pack. But when you say fanny pack mean the one them your mother used to wear where hang over like a belly pooch.
Yeah, but they're bringing new
These are like
styles.
cute bags. These aren't fanny packs.
No, it's funny.
No, it's not. It's not
style.
a fanny pack.
It's a style. Fanny pack.
That is not a fanny pack.
It is.
It's a cute belted purse.
Still a fanny pack.
So, what do you still have that you wear?
Me? I don't really have. I don't really have much. But I don't really have much from 20 years ago. That you know.
You were what? 7?
Anyways, here's our second Weekend Smile video pic this morning. Sean Paul. Temperature.
Wait. Temperature.